How to use PlayStation gift card on PS5. The very first thing you want to do is to navigate to your PlayStation store. Well, click on this PlayStation icon and then click on 3 dot at the top right corner. Different options will be available to you. Well, the option of redeem code will also visible. All you want to do is click on it. It will redirect you to this page. Over here it says redeem your voucher code here, which means that you will be able to redeem your gift card from here. Simply enter the 12-character voucher code. Once you have entered the voucher code, the summary or the description of your voucher will be provided to you. Check out the summary and then click on redeem. Once you click on redeem, your gift card will be redeemed successfully. With the help of this gift card, you will be able to purchase more things for PS5. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial play on how to use PlayStation gift card on PS5. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching it till the end.